how to disable Roblox beta. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to disable Roblox beta. First thing we're going to do is go to the search bar and then type Roblox. So here's the Roblox file as you can see. Next step is to open its file location. Then we click the Roblox player and go to Properties. So click Properties, then we proceed to go to the Compatibility tab. Now that we're here in this section, we click the option Run this program as an administrator and then click Apply. And after this, when we launch the Roblox, you're now going to play the Roblox desktop version instead of the Roblox beta. So in the next step, take note of this. Don't forget to close the Roblox taskbar if it's running in the background. So the Roblox is starting to install and get updated. So that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video on how to disable the Roblox beta.